ಈಗ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ.
Respected Chairperson of our college, Ashavraya sir, respected Vice Chairperson of our college, Geeta Madam, the staff who is the founder of this Namana lecture series, Professor V.K. Kuchi sir, alumni students, and the students who are attending this particular session, and my dear colleague friends. Here I am standing before you to present a technical talk on a topic known as waste handling and management. Myself, Dr. Suresh Gujari, who is working as a assistant professor in the Department of Mechanical Engineering, having 24 years of experience in the field of teaching. It's my gratitude and proud feeling that I am giving a technical seminar for third semester mechanical engineering students, which is there in their syllabus, and as a part of that, beyond that syllabus, what is the scope of this particular subject, I want to deliver a lecture on this. Here, moving to my next slide, let me define what is waste. You might feel that this waste is nothing very simpler in nature, and it doesn't require any type of the fruitful result. Why this subject is kept for the study. Here, as the technology goes on improving, the unwanted things or the elements are going to happen or produce in the universe, which is affecting our health for all the kinds of the human beings and also other living organisms. And this waste, if we are neglecting, it is affecting in the form of health hazards. It may create certain type of the diseases which will kill our life like anything. Therefore, it is every citizen's duty to study about the waste and its management in order to eradicate all the problems related to health and other parameters. That's why this subject is kept at the third semester level only. Therefore it is our duty, not only an engineer's duty, as a citizen, it is all of us duty to handle such type of the waste and how to get rid of from all the serious chronic diseases, and lead a beautiful healthy life on the earth. That is the reason this subject is kept. Now let me define what is waste. Any material that is discarded, useless or unwanted is considered as a waste, also known as rubbish, refuse, garbage and junk. All are one and the same. These are the garbage elements. And you are going to refuse those elements, and those are the junk particles. Therefore, anything which is not useful for our purpose, then we are calling it as a waste. It may be anything. It may be anything in the form of soil, liquid, gaseous in nature, anything, okay, which is not useful for the humankind in order to lead a healthy life, that we are calling it the waste. You are getting my point? What is waste? Now, how to classify the waste? This simple, the block diagram will give you the example or illustrative example how that waste can be classified. As you already know, the waste can be classified as a solid, liquid and gaseous waste. Now, the classification of waste according to their properties. Okay, whatever the classification I did, okay, that depends upon the type of the physical entity. Whenever the waste is in the form of solid, we are calling it as solid waste. When the waste is in the form of liquid, we are calling it as liquid waste. Okay, whenever the waste is in the form of a vapor or gaseous in nature, it is called as a gaseous waste. Now, according to the properties, the waste can be again subdivided into biodegradable waste, non-biodegradable waste. The classification of waste according to their effects on human health and environment. The waste can also be classified into hazardous waste and non-hazardous waste. See here, these are the sources of waste. Okay, whenever if you want to study about the waste and its management, first of all you have to know what is the source behind, okay, that waste. How the wastes are going to create. Okay, these are the certain sources. Okay, during agriculture, some of the wastes are being produced. Okay, and during certain medical treatment or certain type of the treatment in which hospital maintenance you are doing. Okay, that is called the biomedical waste. Next, the household waste is also there. Suppose if you want to cook a food, then you are chopping the vegetables and whatever the fruits you are cutting, unwanted fruits or the seeds or the covers, okay, whatever you are throwing in the dustbin, okay, that we are calling it the waste only, which is a household waste. Commerce and industry, this is the biggest area of the problem nowadays which the people are facing. As the industry goes on increasing or improving, okay, so many waste elements are going to happen. If it is electronic industries, okay, then e-waste is the biggest problem over there. Okay, got that? The computers, accessories after their lives, okay, the waste generated we are calling it a common, there is a e-waste, and certain cement industries. Okay, after processing and preparing the cement or production of the cement, so many sludges or so many the unwanted material is going to generate. Therefore, each and every industries are producing the unwanted elements in the form of solids or in the form of liquids and in the form of very polluted gases. Okay, those waste generally we are calling it as commerce and industry waste. Now, I want to have a certain management regarding the waste. Waste management is the collection. What is the waste management? Waste management is the collection, transport, processing, recycling, redisposal, and monitoring of the waste materials. Each and every term is very important. Okay, what is the idea? The collection of the waste. First, collect the waste. The municipality waste is the first example. The municipality people are coming at the morning time and they are going to collect the waste from wandering home to home and collecting some of the waste which are fallen on the beside of the roads. Like that, collection of the waste is the biggest problem because we the citizens are not much civilized citizens till today because we are just throwing the waste element like a plastic here and there without having any care. Okay, but therefore, the citizen's responsibility is keep all the waste at a particular area where that area is mentioned for that. Okay, example, dustbins. Okay, examples, garbage areas. Okay, but you already used the bananas and whatever the left out of that banana parts will be there, no? Simple and you are just throwing here and there. Okay, which is creating okay, much problems for other human beings. Therefore, whenever such type of the unwanted element will be there, no? Okay, if you are at the public sector area, okay, don't throw here and there. Okay, throw in a particular dustbin or area where that area of the dustbin is maintained for the collection of the waste. But getting my point? You want that is a very silly matter. Okay, if you are doing such type of the management, no, then it will become a very helpful for the healthy society. Okay, that is the collection. Second one is the transportation. Transportation is also a biggest problem because whenever I am just thinking about the industries where the huge amount of the product is going to form, such as cement, such as chemicals, such as petrol, design, then doing the heat treatment or doing the processing or doing the machining processes. What that machining process is nothing but a cutting processes. In order to bring that raw material into required shape and size, that is a cutting process. All the waste which is produced now, it will become a very biggest waste. And transporting, carrying those waste from one location to another location is a biggest problem. Okay, therefore transportation or the transport, processing it. Processing is nothing but a making certain, okay, what modification we call it as. Certain waste material can be converted into another form because if you are keeping that waste material as it is, it will mix with the atmospheric air and convert into a dangerous toxic air elements. Whenever there is a dangerous toxic air or the gas is get produced now, it is directly affecting the areas. The best example I can quote, okay, Delhi is there now, nowadays, is the capital city of India. They, at the morning only or at the afternoon only, okay, the vehicles should move with the headlights. Light upon vehicle movement because the full area is there, the surrounding area is fully polluted area and it seems to be a night environment at the afternoon because of the vehicle pollution, exhaust gas produced over there. But therefore, the Delhi CM Crazy Ball did a particular planning strategy, okay, in which the vehicle should move, okay, with a certain even numbers vehicles and odd number vehicles. Suppose at one day the even number, the numbers which are headed by even numbers, only those even numbers vehicles should move on the roads. And next day all number vehicles should move. In order to reduce the traffic, okay, that particular law was made over there in order to reduce that polluted air. For that, and whenever the COVID-19 declared as a lockdown period, automatically each and every polluted atmosphere is eradicated automatically, and now it is in the normal space. Like that, Bangalore is also there. Like that, Hyderabad is also there. Every metropolitan cities are there now. Okay, those are affected by such type of the problems, which is considered as a very dangerous for the human being. Okay, got an idea? Now organizations working on solid waste management. Okay, these are the certain organizations which are working in the solid waste management. Okay, see here, this is a waste generation rate in some Asian countries. Okay, what is the rate of the waste which is going to generate? Okay, in the Asian countries that is tabulated. This is a case study actually. And details of waste generation. Okay, in general, by the study shows that the literature study shows that food and vegetable is producing a 70% of the waste is actually in Bangladesh. In India is also similar. And the paper 4%, 4% plastic, 5% metals, 0.13, 0.25, 0.16, 11.5, like that. Okay, that the production of the waste is there. Now, the management is there, no? Is taking care of all, the Indian government is also taking care of all the plans and strategies in order to eradicate the problems which is coming from the waste. Okay, here these are household waste, household transportation, and some of the roadside waste, and this is truck waste, fire disposition. This is a flow chart how the waste are moving from one location to another location. Okay, community based collection, household waste, media vehicles. Just now I told media vehicles, primary transportation, and this is truck and fire disposal. See here, this is the graph which shows that the municipal waste which is going to happen in certain areas. Okay, here maximum the waste is coming from the municipal waste only, which is nothing but a solid waste, because already told the solid waste, liquid waste, and the gaseous waste are the main important categories. Okay, got it? Now, treatment and disposal of waste. This is very important. Not only studying the waste, how to treat that waste and how to dispose that waste. This is actually the flow diagram. Okay, right? That is a source reduction and reuse, recycle, resource recovery. Okay, and last one is landfilling is coming. Okay, this is the waste disposal. These three are there coming under the heading of waste disposal. And several methods are there. Okay, in which the treatment of the waste and disposal of the waste is involved. First one is landfilling. Landfilling is nothing but burying the waste. Okay, just open the land, dig that land. Okay, dig that land, make a very big area inside the earth's crust, and fill all the unwanted materials, that is the waste material. Then fill that waste material with the mud particles. Okay, and automatically it is called as a landfill. Then the question arises, which type of the land is to get selected for landfilling? What idea? There is one problem, illustrating one problem. Example I will tell you. Bengaluru ಒಂದು ಹಳ್ಳಿ ಇದೆ, ಆ ಹಳ್ಳಿ ಹೆಸರು ನೆನಪಿಲ್ಲ. ಆ ಹಳ್ಳಿ, okay, that village is considered as a waste landfilling area. That village was considered as a waste landfilling area. Okay. Couple of years back only, maybe I think 20 to 25, 30 years back only, that village was selected for the landfilling. Am I getting my point? Now that village came into the Bengaluru area, BBMP area, and all the people are opposing because the area is very costly in nature and it is coming in the BBMP area only, and you are using this land for filling operation, which will produce a bad effect on the human being. That's why they are went up, strike, don't use our area to make this type of procedure at landfilling area. Okay, because it is going to give health hazards. That's why now the problem for the government is where to select that area. If it is very far away from the city, then the transportation cost will goes on increases. when it is within the city, this type of problem is going to happen. In small towns like Gadag also, and in middle big cities like Mumbai also, same situation is there. Same situation is there. Whenever you are coming outskirt of that area, you are getting a very, very bad smell. Because of such type of the landfilling or the composting type of the waste management is going to happen, where the citizens are making their life more better. You go to Yeshwantpura, there the garbage area the people are living. And the garbage area the people are living. They are using these toilets of trains. Okay, whenever the trains are standing at a particular signal, then they are coming into the trains and they are completing all their morning, okay, activities. This is nothing but the problem is happening due to the waste management. This is the disposal subject. Second one is incineration, making a certain treatment of heat. Okay, whenever you are going to treat that waste material with a certain temperature, by changing the temperature, then that is the incineration process will be there. Pyrolysis is another process, composting is another process. Okay, in your class you are going to learn in detail. Now just I am highlighting several methods of composting, and last one is recycling. This recycling is very important phenomena because ಕಸದಿಂದ ರಸ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಕಸದಿಂದ ರಸ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಈಗ ಯಾವುದು ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ನೀವು ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿರಲ್ಲ, ಅದರ ಇನ್ನೂ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಇರ್ತೈತಿ, ಕಸದಿಂದ ರಸ. Therefore, you just recycle that again. Recycle that waste material and reproduce the energy once again and use that energy for your work. Then go for the disposal. That is called the Kasarita Rasa, that is recycling. And government is making so many schemes for recycling processes. For that, many industries are coming for making such type of that recycling processes. Therefore, these projects are the block diagram will give you the certain general idea how that treatment disposal of the solid waste takes place. Universal purpose you are going to learn landfilling, incineration, pyrolysis, composting and recycling. Okay, in detail with help of the block diagram, its advantages and drawbacks and some of the illustrated examples. Okay, this is the general I am telling you. Landfilling area, maybe this is called the landfilling area, very far away from city area. There the vehicle is there, no, it is digging operation, filling all the waste materials, again filling the mud particles at the top, and after several years, okay, it will be decomposed and it will convert in the form of mud. Okay, therefore composed waste and decomposed waste are playing a very important role. Some of the waste materials are not decomposable in nature. They are not converting into another form whenever there is a change in the temperature or whenever whenever there is a change in the temperature or whenever there is a change in the pressure. Okay, the waste should be converted to another form. Some of the waste are there, such as plastic material, such as rubber materials, okay, such as composite materials. Okay, these materials will never change their physical identity even though there is a tremendous change in the temperature and the pressure. Yes, more than the plastic or bucket ಯಾರು ಒಂದು ರಬ್ಬರ್ ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ಅಥವಾ ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಕಾಂಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್ಸ್ ಏನೋ ಬಿದ್ದಿರ್ತದೆ ಅದು ಹಂಗೆ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಅದು ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್, ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ಪ್ರೆಷರ್, ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ಮಾಯ್ಚರ್ ಕಂಟೆಂಟ್. ಅದು ಏನು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ waste, the plastic will become a plastic material, and rubber material, composite material will become a composite material only. And complete people are telling that you do whatever you want, nothing is going to happen to this product. ಒಂದು ಯಾವ ಅಡ್ವರ್ಟೈಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾರೆ, ಓಕೆ, ಹೆಂಗೆ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಮುಗಿತಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಬೈಕ್ ಏನು ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಟ್ರಕ್ ಹಾಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಅದೋ ಟೈಮ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಸೇಫ್ಟಿ. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ವೆರಿ ಡೇಂಜರಸ್ ಮಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ಆಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ಇಸ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ಡ್. ಆಲ್ ದ ಮಟೀರಿಯಲ್ಸ್ should be decomposed. Materials if it is not decomposed, not converted into mud particles, then it is giving a very harmful effect for human beings. Okay, that is the main reason. The decomposable materials, okay, you should avoid as possible as. ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಐತಿ ಅಂಥ ಮಟೀರಿಯಲ್ಸ್ನ ಅವಾಯ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಜನರೇಷನ್, ಫಾರ್ ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಜನರೇಷನ್ get chronic diseases like a cancer, okay, like a different health issues are coming. Okay, this is the landfill. Now incineration, the steel is used to make a heating operation. Okay, whenever there is a heating operation takes place, okay, then the material, waste material is converted into other particle. Okay, and burning the solid waste material by applying the fire is a very dangerous. You should not do that. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಮನೆಯೊಳಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಮುಂಜಾನೆ ಎತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋ ಕಸ ಹೊಡೆದು ಇಷ್ಟು ಮಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ಇಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಆ ಗಟ್ರ ಬಾಜು ಹಾಕಿ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಬೆಂಕಿ ಹಚ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದು ಸುಟ್ಟು ಬೂದಿಯಾಗಿ ಹೋಗ್ತೈತೆ, ನೀರು ತಗೊಂಡಿರಿ, ಬಟ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಎನ್ವೈರನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಪೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಡೋಂಟ್ ಡೂ ದಟ್. Just collect that waste material in particular bag and container and transfer it to the responsible persons like a municipality persons, a corporation persons. Then they are going to carry and transport that waste material and they are taking that treatment for the disposal processes. Okay, what it therefore you should not catch the fire, apply the fire. Okay, this is giving the that's a direct or indirect effect to your air or oxygen level may decrease. Okay, composting, once the matter of the solid waste is decomposed and converted into human and minerals. Human waste and certain minerals will be there, no? That is decomposed and buried. Okay, that is a composting. It is an organic material. And that organic material is not giving much more problem because it is easily soluble and it can be eradicated very easily, which is called the composting. Purposes: heating of solid waste at very high temperature in absence of air. Okay, what is the process of conversion? This is the setup where the pyrolysis is going to form, or the process can be done. Here, the main purpose of this pyrolysis is to heat the solid waste, not in the presence of air, in the absence of air. Okay, that will give a very good disclosure. Okay, correct. Now, sir, 3 hours are very important. Actually, 6 hours are there, but in this slide I have shown only 3 hours. One is a reduce, reuse, and recycle. Reduce the waste. That is the fundamental duty of every citizen. ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಐತೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದನ್ನ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಕಡಿಮೆ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇನಿಷಿಯಲಿ ಯು ಆರ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ದ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್. ಇಫ್ ಒನ್ ಹ್ಯೂಮನ್ ಬೀಯಿಂಗ್ ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ದ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್, ಓಕೆ, ಸೋ ಮೆನಿ ಹ್ಯೂಮನ್ ಬೀಯಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ದೇ ಇನ್ ದ ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸ್, ಆಟೋಮೆಟಿಕ್ಲಿ ದ ರೇಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ is minimized. And reuse. If the material can be reused for your purposes, better to reuse. ಅದು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸಲ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಬರ್ತಿತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಹೋಗಿಬೇಡ, ನೀವು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಒಬ್ಬೊಬ್ರು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಬರ್ತಿತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಯಾಕೆ many things can be reused before you throw them out. Okay, ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ವಾಯು ಬಟ್ಟೆ ಏನು ಕೆಲಸ ಕೊಡೋದು ಅಂದರೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ದೂರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ರೀಸೈಕಲ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಟೋಲ್ಡ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರೀಸೈಕಲ್ ದಟ್ ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್. ಓಕೆ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಾವು effects of waste if they are not managed wisely. The waste can be managed very wisely in order to avoid all the chronic diseases. Okay, these are the effects of waste which are going to occur if you are not managed that waste material. The cancer may occur, which is a chronic disease. Kidney or liver damage, which is a chronic disease, because whenever you are eating certain foods which is having a very rich content of fatty oil, which is used again. You know, ಬಜ್ಜಿ ಗಿರ್ಮಿಟ್ಟಿ ಬದ್ನಿಕಾಯಿ ಬಜ್ಜಿ ಇರ್ತಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ನೀವು ಬದ್ನಿಕಾಯಿ ಬಜ್ಜಿ ಗಿರ್ಮಿಟ್ಟಿ ತಿನ್ನಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇಡ ಅಂತ ಚಲೋ ಹೋಗಿ ಅಂದಾಗ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಎಣ್ಣೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನು ತಿನ್ನಿ. ಈಗ ರೋಡ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಒಂದು ಸಲ ಒಂದು ತವಾ ಒಳಗೆ ಬಜ್ಜಿ ಕಲ್ತಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಅದು ಹಾಕ್ತಾರೆ, ಅದ್ರಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲ ಬಜ್ಜಿ ಹಾಕ್ತಾರೆ. ಅವನು ಮುಂಜಾನೆ 6 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಚಲೋ ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ, ರಾತ್ರಿ 10 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಅದ ಎಣ್ಣೆ ಹಂಗೆ ಚಲೋ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಹಂಗೆ ಚಲೋ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ. You keep in mind that whenever the oil is burned, it is converted in the form of toxic element. What do you know that? Huh? Because oil is equal to a viscosity, a material which is in the form of liquid having a certain fat and viscosity. That is oil. And you already know the fat and viscosity goes on decreasing whenever the temperature increases. Whenever the temperature increases, the oil is going to lose its character. Okay, each and every citizen know that. Once I am bus hacking, ಭಾಳ ಎರಡು ಸಲ ಹಾಕ್ಬೋದು, 3-4 ಸಲ ಸಾಯಂಕಾಲ 6 ಗಂಟೆ ಅದ ಬಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದ ಎಣ್ಣೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ 100% it is giving a health hazard, health problem. Okay, which is a kidney or liver problem, skin rash, may occur, development of problems in the children. You know, for example, Hiroshima Nagasaki was a heart attack. Okay, it was attacked by the atomic bombs. Till today, the children born in that particular location are with a handicap. ಕಣ್ಣಿಗೆ ಮಧ್ಯೆ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕಿವಿ ಕೆಲಸಗಳ ಯಾವ್ದಾರ ಪಾಠಗಳು because of such type of the dangerous element, radioactive element which was present at that time. Till today, that Hiroshima and Nagasaki, okay, it is feasible. Okay, that's why the waste should be get managed thoroughly, properly, otherwise it will give a chronic diseases or the health of the humankind. Next, nervous system damage, central nervous system damage ಆಗಿದೆ. ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ನಾವು ಹುಟ್ಟಿಗಳೇ ಆದರೂ ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅಡ್ಡಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಅತ್ತ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಏನಾದರೂ ಜೋರ ಯಾಕೆ ಡ್ಯೂ ಟು ದೀಸ್ ದ ಇನ್ಹರೆಂಟ್ that is inhaling such type of waste elements. Okay, in the form of food, maybe in the form of gases or gas, maybe in the form of liquid, or maybe in the form of solid. Okay, liquid, you are drinking the water here and there. You are not just thinking about how that water quality is there. ಯಾವ್ದಾರ ಬಸ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಟ್ಯಾಪ್ ಒಂದು ಬಾಟಲ್ ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದು, ಬಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಗಿವಿಂಗ್ ಅ ಲಾಟ್ ಆಫ್ okay problem. Therefore, here from this platform I urge that even the mineral water is there, but it is also very dangerous for humankind. Bisleri water and other mineral water will be there very dangerous for the humankind, because human wants all the minerals in a particular proper ratio. Eradicating or removing all the minerals and making it as a zero is a very dangerous water, and they are proving that the required element of minerals will be there in the water. They are proving that, but God knows how much the minerals they are going to maintain in that water. Okay, tested okay, ISO standard, but you should test okay with your particular instrument, then you come to know whether that quality of the water is okay fit for drinking or not. Next, cough, throat and urination problem due to the waste urination, and birth defects already told. Okay, miscarriages is also one of the dangerous chronic health hazard due to improper management of the waste in the hospitals and other areas. Okay, and certain bronchitis further. These are the certain effects of the health if that waste is not managed wisely. Therefore, think very much seriously how that waste can be reduced and it should get processed and it should get managed with our wise, okay. Because these are the effects of the wildlife area. It is not only affecting the life of the humankind who are living at the city or villages like that. Villages are having more comfortable nature rather than the city environment. And certain wildlife is also affected by certain type of the waste elements. Okay, what that is? See, you know, ocean water is get contaminated. You care about thousands next to the fishes are coming at the seashore and lost their life at there. 1,50,000, 50,000 ಮೀನುಗಳು ಆ ಓಷನ್ ಸಮುದ್ರದಿಂದ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಬಂದು ತಾವು ಯಾಕೆ ಡ್ಯೂ ಟು ದಟ್ ಕಂಟ್ಯಾಮಿನೇಟೆಡ್ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಚ್ ಈಸ್ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ into the ocean. Okay, that is the reason. Okay, for the idea. Therefore, prevention is better than cure. You already know the slogan. Prevention is better than cure. One way or another now, ಅದು ಗಮನ ಹರಿಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದ ಬದಲಾವಣೆ ಮಾಡುವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಲಕ್ಷಣ. Therefore, systematic solid waste management should be done. We should involve in the public plans. Okay, for the waste treatment and disposal, so many schemes will be there. Okay, from the government and non-government organization, polio eradication program, COVID-19, okay, from organization like that. So many organizations, maybe those organizations are private organization or the government organization involved in that particular platform and give your contribution for the waste management. Household level proper segregation. Segregation is nothing but making a separation. Hello. Segregation is nothing but making a separation. Green waste and dry waste. Okay, green waste is that waste which is having the moisture content, whereas dry waste is that waste which is not having any moisture content. Therefore, you should maintain two dustbins in the house. One is for green waste. Okay, another one is for wet waste. ಅದರ ಸಲುವಾಗಿ ಕಾರ್ಪೊರೇಷನ್ ಮತ್ತು ಮುನ್ಸಿಪಾಲಿಟಿ ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ಸ್ ಒಣ ಕಸ ಹಸ ಕಸ ಹಸಿ ಕಸ ಅಂತ ಗಾಡಿ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಡಬ್ಬಿ ಮಾಡಿ ತರ್ಬೋದು ಬಿಡಲ್ಲ. ಒಣ ಕಸ ಹಸಿ ಕಸ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಸೆಗ್ರಿಗೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕ್ರಿ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ if you are not segregating at the initial stage only, it will become a very biggest problem for the disposing. Therefore, at the base level, at the domestic level only, you just segregate the waste into vana kasa, dry waste, hasi kasa, wet waste. Process and product substitute example: use paper bags. Should not use the plastic cover. Paper bags should use instead of plastic bags. Garbage collection according to the set. Wherever the collection point is there, which is maintained for the garbage, throw that paper bags into that garbage area only, another dustbin. Okay, only. But then in hospital, so many dustbins will be there. One is for the plastic disposal dustbin, another one is for very sharp edge needle, pipes, cut areas, bandages, etc. Another one is not used or date bar, tablets and syrups or date bar, medicines you can call it as. Like that, so many 5 to 6 the dustbins will be there, and each dustbin is having a particular and each color is indicating a particular character of that particular waste. Use that waste and use that particular dustbin, okay, so that it should be very clear segregation. Segregation is put a separate and making a division, okay, which is very much helpful for the waste management. Okay, these are the certain recommendations, okay, where that waste management is going to happen. Okay, outline, picture, the biogas generation and the heat supply system with a know that biogas can be generated. Okay, that is biogas is energy required for making certain work which is required for the humankind as a biogas. Okay, biogas can produce from the waste material. For that, one electricity can also be produced from the waste material, and certain byproducts can also be produced from the waste material. Go to that sugarcane fields, the last waste particle is there no cotton bean can be no. Okay, the waste particle initially it was considered the waste particle, but that cotton bean is used as a byproduct of sugar industries, which is used for making the preparation of spirit. Spirit is widely used in almost all the breweries. Alcohols, alcohols होते हैं अवेलेबल breweries का spirit की तरह बसे हैं. Therefore, that spirit is very much important element which is nothing but a byproduct of sugarcane industries. Keep in mind. Okay, these are the certain references, and here there are so many websites are there, and so many books are there. Waste material handbook will be there. Okay, like that. Okay, it is very important element. Okay, don't think that waste is a simpler and you cannot listen to it. Waste is very very important element, and if you are not properly segregated, not properly transported, and not properly disposed, it will create a chronic diseases on the humankind. Therefore, we teach and every human beings duty to study about the waste and its particular management. Hope this is the basic idea of the waste and its particular management with certain illustrative examples. Okay, I already given a particular picture, okay, about the waste and waste handling management. Hope all of you get away, okay, and you will discharge your duties to contribute, okay, for the society. Right? If you are having any doubts, okay, you can clear your doubts by just asking your questions here only. If you are having a certain hesitation, okay, to ask the questions, drop your queries, drop your problems, okay, to my mail address, muzuri.suresh@gmail.com. What any doubt here?
No, sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
Is this session was beneficial for you all? You enjoyed the session?
Yes, sir.
Enjoyed?
Yes, sir.
Okay, the points are clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. One and all for giving me an opportunity in the platform known as Namana Lecture Series. Thank you. Stop.
Thank you, sir.